Yes friends, I am Professor Kumar and you are learning at the Galaxy Online Learning, the YouTube channel of Galaxy Tutorials. Today we are going to study chapter number 4, Environmental Management of Science-2 10th Standard Maharashtra State Board. Okay, before I go into the lecture, my friends, I remind you, please register, collect your study pack 6, textual questions, solutions, notes, past paper questions, question bank, please collect with test paper and assignment in it for all subjects. Okay, and kindly register, subscribe to the bell icon so that you are notified immediately of the lecture. You have crossed 150 lectures, start studying, take a pen, paper, book. Do not just look at videos, pause them, note everything down. Only what will come for exam, important and understandable facts are shown to you. So the chapter says we have to do ecosystem review, environment and ecosystem, environment conservation, environment management and biodiversity hotspot. We will stress on 5 topics. Out of the 5 topics, 3 are conceptual and 2 are like short notes. So we will have a look at them. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is formed by, means it is made up of living, that is biotic, and non-living, that is abiotic factors, and the interactions between them. Okay? And interaction is important. So I am here, the tree is growing in USA, that is not like that. We have to be in the system and we should be able to interact. He should affect me, I should affect it. Okay? All living and non-living living together. Plants are producers. Goat, sheep, deer, cattle, horse, camel eat the plants. They are herbivores, primary consumers. Lion and tiger eat these animals. They are predators or carnivores. Caterpillar and those fungus, termite, all these clean the environment. They are detritivores and saprotrophs. They clean the environment. So they form a cycle, food chain. Sun, okay, plants will grow, grasshopper will eat, frog will eat him, snake will eat him, eagle will eat him, he will die, decompose, and nutrients are returned. So like that, ecosystem keeps working on its own automatically. It does not require the intervention of man or any external thing except abiotic elements. Number 2, what is the relationship between environment and ecosystem? Why do we use these 2 words? Physical, chemical and biological, weather, soil, okay, and animal, plants, all together are environment. Environment is the condition in your surroundings. It will include biotic, abiotic, natural, artificial, man, building, towers, bridge. There are 2 types of environment. One is natural and one is man-made or artificial. Natural is air, atmosphere, water, land, animals are all natural and they keep interacting with each other. Artificial, like we are burning fossil fuel, more carbon dioxide, pollution, acid rain, is affecting the natural environment directly and indirectly every day. So, environment has 2 parts, living and non-living. Living is biotic, non-living is abiotic. The science, the subject which deals with this is called ecology. Okay? Ecology means study of the home, study of your home and environment. And you study 1 unit, 1 chapter. We have 1 ecosystem as a part of the, so I have a pond ecosystem, I have a lake ecosystem, I have a desert ecosystem. So all these are pieces which I can separately study. Okay, so these are functional units, they work on their own and I need to study. Together I will not be able to study, Earth has got land and water, so land is different. No, what is different? So environment has many ecosystems, tundra, Arctic, desert, so many. A small pond is an ecosystem. Earth is the largest ecosystem, it contains everything. Now the balance, what comes and what goes and what remains. We have natural cycles, water cycle, carbon cycle, gas cycle of nitrogen, oxygen, etc. And this balance, how much comes in, how much goes out, how much remains, is due to the food chains of the ecosystem and environmental interactions. Environmental conservation, very important. Now, when we pollute, we contaminate, unnecessary, that was not required, unacceptable, it's not good for me. Change in the environment, either by nature like volcano spewing out, okay, or human activity, we are burning, oil refinery, this is all environmental pollution, okay. Direct or indirect changes in physical, chemical and biological properties of air, water and soil, which will harm living beings, is environmental pollution. Now there are various reasons, my friends, responsible for it. Population explosion, we are going too fast in numbers, which is having a burden on earth. And fast industrialization, everything, machine, factories, indiscriminate use, we are wasting more than what we require. Deforestation, cut the forest, build roads, build bridges, okay? Unplanned, make a city, make a tower. These are all causing environment pollution. My friend, I just read in the paper last week, we are going to build our first natural way across the highway so that the animal can cross from one. You have built a highway in between a natural region. How will the animal gets crushed by your traffic? Elephants get knocked out, everybody gets knocked out. Your cars are fast, powerful, nobody stopped, dead. Actually, they'll take it for the skin also. So now we are building this animal way because the environment is getting affected by our urban expansion. Therefore, conservation is necessary. Otherwise, except you, nobody else will live on earth. And you cannot live alone. Need of environmental conservation. First, tell the public, my friend, this is the problem. Then, large scale participation. 10 people holding placard, one morcha cannot solve the problem. Awaken, okay, to become effective public movement. The whole people should be concerned. Then only we can do something. Positive attitude. What will happen? Arey, we need the power. What government will do? Don't talk like that. Knowledge. Give it in children. See, this is what I am teaching you as a subject material so that these ideas come to your mind right now. And all developing, underdeveloped, don't give excuse. Okay? Should check about the future plan and make necessary law. What my problem? Africa, there are so many violence. Don't talk nonsense. Okay? We have to all work together. Environmental conservation is our social responsibility, my friends. Humans, God has given you important role to maintain the balance. Others can't do, animals can't do themselves. If you have disturbed, then only you can conserve and only you can improve. If I make a mistake, I am so sorry, I have to correct my mistake. The public should be aware. 2 students, 1 class, only science people know. Everybody should be knowing what are the harms of and then people will get, okay, enlightened. Environmental conservation and biodiversity. What is biodiversity? Richness, how many living organisms are in nature, okay? How many ecosystems, how many types of animals? And there are 3 levels at which we can study biodiversity. Bio, living, diversity, different forms. Okay? Now, simple definition of genetic diversity, occurrence of diversity among the organisms of the same species. There are 6 types of deers, but there is polar bear, there is black bear, okay? Human being, no 2 people are alike. If we do not want diversity, the species will get wiped out. All the negative things will remain. It will not evolve. It will not change. And the species will be wiped out. Dinosaurs got wiped out. Big elephant mammoths got wiped out. Okay? Species diversity. More the species living together, various types of plant, animal, microbe, better is the system. Not more of you, more of everything. In balance. The higher the variety, better it is. Okay? Third, ecosystem diversity. We should have all. Why do I need a desert? Why do I have Antarctic, Arctic? We should make buildings that don't talk nonsense. Each balances the other. That is environment. Wind flow, temperature, rainfall is a global phenomenon. It's not your country, city's phenomenon. So we should not change ecosystem. We are filling all the mangroves, we are filling the riverbeds, okay, we are removing the sand, we are destroying, okay, environment. Each ecosystem, you may call him a desert, has characteristic animal, plants and microbes and a biotic factor. Heat, sand, wind, it is different type of things survive in that. You and I don't survive everywhere like that. Okay, so we are having a look now. What is our role, okay, in the environment? First, we have to conserve what is there now. At least take care of that. What is gone, cry later. Control, prevent, stop and change. Prevent the harm, stop the factory today, remove the smokestack chimneys, stop the harmful activity, change the process, change your mind that nothing can be done. Don't. Production, revival of harmed factors of environment, attempting innovation. Stop. Don't continue the same. Come for new process and please use brain. New ideas will come. Science will always help you. Preserve. What is remaining? Preserve. Do not cause further loss and try now finding out when finally we find one animal. All others have died. Why did you wait till this day? Okay. Prevent. Prevent possible harm. Design new plan. Factors harmful to environment should be removed. So you should suggest awareness, education, guidance, awareness, imitation, copying others, organization, getting together, participation with a protest, etc. That is your role in the environment, my friend. Then we can do conservation. Now we have this symbol charts, and in exam they ask you what the symbol means. You are very well aware, your textbook, school, everything, but still I have given you. These are all the possible diagrams which come in the exam. Okay? Whether it is, you can see, save oil, reduce carbon dioxide footprint, they are all readable. Cleanliness, okay, use non-powered vehicles, save water, save electric energy, be careful of nuclear radiation, control nuclear, or you can read. And please practice these diagrams. Okay? 1 or 2 marks, 1 or 2 diagrams come to identify. It came in the last exam also. So we will come to hotspot. Hotspot doesn't mean it is hot. Hotspot means it is hot. Many of that species are in that one region only. For example, I want to see a particular type of fish. So I am told that you go to Gujarat coast, you go to Run of Kutch, you will find the fish there. Why will I not find anywhere? Because the conditions are not same everywhere. So, if I have to see elephant, I don't have to go to the zoo in Mumbai. I have to go where the real elephants are staying. Okay? So, these are bio hotspots. Maximum varieties and numbers are found only in some places. 15.7% areas of Earth are hotspots. Today, we have destroyed 86%. Destroyed. Now, road, house, farming, remote them. We don't need those animals and plants. 2.3% left side. Look at these. Now see how the danger is. These are not found everywhere. They are not found anywhere. 1,50,000 plant species gone. Gone. We can never find those plants. We have diagrams, we have photographs, we have history. We now can't find them. India. Because we are living in India, 135 animal species, 85 only in the eastern jungles, 85 only out of 135. Gone. Western Ghats, you know, we are Lonavala, Khandala, Pune, Yogoi, 1500 endemic plants, they don't grow anywhere else. Okay, so in the world, as we have studied, we know, our knowledge is very limited. 50,000 plants are endemic, only growing in a particular region. If that region goes, that species goes, like lion and tiger goes. Now in the world, I am showing you certain biodiversity hotspots. Every country has particular animals. Now let me put an example to you. I am going to Australia. What is there in Australia? You just saw bushfire is there, and photographs are coming. Koala bear is there, kangaroo are there, joeys, Small babies are there. Okay? Photographs are coming in paper every day. Now I don't find them here, kangaroo here. Okay? So like foolish people, only they are found in the particular place. Now like in, see, India, I have this central region here. I will find Western Ghat I have already talked to you about. So here I find a lot of plant, animal, corpid lizard is there. Okay, we have discovered in the last 10 years 18 varieties of frog which we did not know. Different color, different structure. Okay, so these are endemic, only found here. Still today we are finding Amazon, solid. Okay, every country, see the green parts. So no, you can't say here, there. They're little. See the size of green versus yellow. And you want to destroy that also. And you don't find it anywhere else. Scaly anteater, pangolins, you will not find. Okay? Africa's particular snakes, that big ear elephant. See? So have a look, my friends. How less than you still destroy the hotspot. Let us see some threatened species. These are strictly by our syllabus. There are many more. We go by the textbook because you have to write answers. Endangered. Their number is less, or the place where they live are becoming less. So in the next 10 to 50 years they will be gone. Lion-tailed monkey and the lesser florican. I've given you good photos, not like a textbook. You can see how the animal looks like. You have got cartoons in your textbook. Have a look what they are actually. Second, rare. They are considerably declined. They may become extinct very fast. So 50 to 70 years they will all go. Red panda, musk deer. Musk deer, remember musk? Perfume musk comes from the navel of the musk deer. Original. You are all having synthetic. Third, vulnerable. The number is extremely less. Okay, and we are worried. Example, tiger and lion, and we got tiger sanctuary, we are having deer, lion sanctuary, we are trying to preserve them. Okay, so these are more and more how we are going. The top ones are almost gone. Indeterminate. They are in danger, but we have not studied them. See this shekru, Western Ghats. Now see this squirrel, and see what squirrel you have seen. See the difference? I have not seen a shekru. I think it's got a common name, village, shekru. So you go there, you will be able to see once in a while. So this we don't know. We have not studied how many are there. We know the trees are getting cut, forests are going, he will go. But once in a while we see them. So these are 4 categories. You must study the example and you must study the definition, my friends. So this will help you. So chapter I have made so nice, so easy, easily memorable. Please take down everything. Do not get worried. Textbook is bogus, got so much detail, worry. And kindly take a paper pen when studying. And remember, if there's difficulty, we are there. Please contact us. Don't make your decisions, nothing. We will take the right decision for you. Okay? Thank you.